Welcome to SM Systems QA training program. It's roughly about 95-hour program, and this program is divided into three parts. So it's about 95 hours. Sometimes it takes 100 hours, but I have on an average 95 hours. So manual testing, SQL, Jira, that's about 25 hours. Automation testing. Our main focus is on Selenium with the Java programming and API with the Groovy scripting, Cucumber, and DevOps. So that takes about 60 hours. And about the one-to-one, general interview, manual testing, more manual testing, and resume preparation takes about 10 hours. That's how it is divided into. Okay. And you also get to do real-time projects in banking, healthcare, and insurance. And also, we help with the marketing, resume, and interview preparation. And if you don't understand a topic, you can do a free repeat. Okay. Free repeat. And also, if you miss a class, we provide recordings for all the classes. Okay. Recording is there for you to watch. Let's see. So there is some more information here on the landing page. So we also have over 500 reviews, including Kudzu, 270 plus Kudzu reviews. We are an E-verified company. We are based out of Atlanta, in fact. We're also A plus accredited with Better Business Bureau. Better Business Bureau is there throughout the country, throughout US, North America, including Canada. So, as I said, you using healthcare and banking applications, you get to do sometimes healthcare and insurance, manual testing, Jira, SQL queries, Java programs, and practicing Selenium. All these exercises happen, and the instructors are very solid instructors. They have been with us for over 10 years, and we have done this course for over 17 years, in fact. So you will really enjoy it. And not only the course, we'll also provide sincere post-training support for all the training students. Looking forward to seeing you in the near future. Thank you. Good luck.